A lot of people ask me what my personal skincare routine is, so I'm going to go through that today. And yes, I only use ZO products. My skin just doesn't need anything else. That is how much I love these products. So I always start off morning and night with my exfoliating cleanser. And then once a day, I use my exfoliating polish for a nice, gentle, light physical exfoliation. Then I use a chemical exfoliant and toning pad, our Complexion Renewal pads, one in the morning, one at night. It's like a magic eraser for your skin, really great product. And then I use our Brightalive non-hydroquinone skin brightener to help keep the tone of my skin nice and even and glowing and help prevent pigmentation, especially now that summer's coming. I use our Exfoliation Accelerator, AHA, BHA product, about 3 or 4 times a week, just to help keep that outer layer of dull, dry skin nice and exfoliated, keep me nice and glowy, and help clean up my pores and keep them nice and closed. I use the Daily Power Defense in the morning. This has your antioxidant protection for environmental damage. It also has enzymes in it that help repair DNA and calm inflammation and redness, and it also helps balance your skin barrier so that your own hydration stays put much, much better. And then every morning and a couple times throughout the day, I put on my Daily Sheer Sunscreen, great triple spectrum coverage. And then at nighttime, I use my Complex A 1.3% retinol. It's the strongest one we have, and I love, love, love it. It really gets deep into the skin and targets problem areas. So there it is. If you want to get started on your own routine, like mine or one suited to your needs, give me a call or shoot me a message, and I'd love to help you out. Have a wonderful day.